workstation done. So preps are done. Now watch it, I'm gonna do a Medit. This is pretty cool. We're going to mesh the data, mark the margins in Medit, and then hopefully use the wax up that we had pre-done to convert into STLs to do 3D printed temporaries. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into Medit Design just to make sure that all my data is meshed up. We see here's the wax up, which we need to mesh. We'll go ahead and just do automatic alignment and see how that worked. Didn't like it. So we're going to go to manual and we're going to basically color like things here. Use these molars to mesh the data. Now once we do that, we'll check it and then boom, now data's meshed. So that's step one. The next step, which is to do the 3D print tips. All right, so that didn't work as well as I wanted to on the Medit. Part of the progression of having to learn to do things, basically create workflows. But I think I know what's wrong, so we're gonna figure that out in a minute. Meanwhile, I've had some Chick-fil-A, so I feel good now. I'm about to do maybe upper lower arch. We'll see time-wise how things go. I don't know if I can do that in an hour and a half.